Well, first of all, a very, very happy Diwali to all the viewers and everybody present here. It's lovely to be here to wish everybody, and also, of course, part of my promotions for my film, which is coming out in December after Diwali. So hopefully, I'll have a reason to celebrate after Diwali as well and end the year on a good note. Hopefully, keeping fingers crossed for a hat trick. This year has been really good for me with Houseful 2 and Bol Bachchan doing really, really well. I hope Khiladi follows and, hopefully breaks the record of the last two ones that released, and looking forward to that. Yeah, I'm feeling a little lonely right now, like the song. I don't know. I think he's doing his bit of promotion separately, and then we'll be doing the combined promotions a little later on. Yeah. Diwali is going to be again with the dubbing and the promotions of the film, and of course in the evening we have a few friends parties which I have to attend to. Yeah. Thank you. I'm glad the look has worked.
And what movie are you planning to watch more? Everybody's choosing between Son of Sardar and Chak Chak Hai Jaan. So what is your choice?
What do I say? It's a difficult pick, but this time, I don't think I'll have the time to go and watch either of them immediately. Maybe a little later on. Yeah. नहीं, मुझे मराठी सीखनी पड़ी, बट आई थिंक अक्षय वॉज अ ग्रेट हेल्प, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी फ्लुएंटली ही स्पीक्स मराठी, और मेरे काफ़ी सारे डायलॉग्स हैं, और जो मेरे डायलॉग्स हैं वो इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सेंटेड हिंदी विद अ लिटिल महाराष्ट्रियन, एंड मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसी कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ जिसमें आई एम प्लेइंग एन आउट एंड आउट महाराष्ट्रियन. इंदू तेंदुलकर नाम है कैरेक्टर का, एज यू कैन सी देयर आई एम वेयरिंग द काश्ता एंड एवरीथिंग. So it was a lot of fun. I actually went all out for the character, and hopefully it'll be have a good response.
Asim, this was a lot of legal tussle between Bharat versus Ajay Devgan.
No comments.
No, but the same is happening with Kalash and Khiladi 786.
I am not aware of that.
The producers of Kalash using.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
But if they use their powerful clout to kind of be a dominant position.
I don't know about anything of that sort.
ऐसे कोई मराठी डायलॉग होता है दर्शकों के लिए जो आपने सीखा हो?
No, this is what I keep telling Akshay. तुला सांगितला ना, चुप बैठने का. That's all I keep telling Akshay. No, like I said, it's very difficult to pick between the two. I don't think I'll be watching either of them because it's going to be hectic with dubbing and promotions of my film. So hopefully once that calms down a little bit, then I can sit down and watch both of them.
Asim, with Khiladi, will you be flaunching any action scenes with them?
With Akshay around, you can't really, escape from doing a little bit of stunts yourself. So yeah, wait and watch. I've got a little bit of a car chase in the film as well. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Happy Diwali.